Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Tractor Supply, and oh yes guys, they have some items that I have not seen here because I have not been here in a while, so I hope you all enjoy this video. Let's get started. Okay, so right now they're having 20% off of their vegetables, flowers, and plants. So we have the asparagus here. This is the purple passion. You get 3 roots for $5. And this one is the spring harvest. The root bar is, you get 2 plants for $5. Let's see, we have the clematis here. They are $7.99. Okay. The hardiness zone is 4 to 9, and it needs full sun. So we have the purple one and the blue one. Okay. So it says spring and fall bloom time. This one says late spring bloom time. Okay. So we have this one. And the onions are here. Late summer to early fall harvest. You get 80 sets for $4. Okay. We also have these onions of white Ebenezer. You get 80 of these for $4. And these are the sweet golden onions. You get 60 of these for $4. So we have potatoes here. Let's see. So you get a 3-pound bag for $7.99. Here's the name right here, guys. In the blue, late summer harvest. Yes, this is a 3-pound bag here. It needs full sun. The zone is 3 to 9. Harvest late summer. Yeah, $7.99. All right, and move over to the fig here. The Chicago Hardy fig for $8.99. The bushel and berry homegrown berries. Blueberry is $10.99. The blueberries, they're at $8.99. The strawberries, $8.99. Gooseberries, $8.99. Nanking cherry, $8.99. This is a strawberry kit here for $9.99. Zones 4 through 8. Full sun on all of these. Okay, we have the lilac bush here. This one is $6.99. Zones 3 through 7. Rose of Sharon is $6.99. Zone 5 to 9. And oh yes, this hydrangea, Mary Supreme, zone 5 through 9. Yeah, so we have some bulbs down here. You get 15 bulbs for $7. Ooh, that's a lot. Canna here, you get two of them for $7. Rhizomes, 2 rhizomes for $7. Let's see what this is. This is the Cannon Wyoming. You get 2 for $7. Okay. We have the hummingbird vine, zone 4 through 9 for $7. And then we have this huge box here, Summer Bloom Time Carnival Plant Collection for $14.99. Yes, so you get the coneflower, butterfly, milkweed, hollyhock, red hot poker, and you get 12 total. Okay. So we have this one for $14.99. It's the Stars and Stripes Plant Collection. You get the columbine, the cosmea, balloon flower, hostel, and I'm assuming these are probably for the more for the shade here. Let's see. Full sun to part shade. Okay, on the ones at the top and at the bottom, part shade to full shade. Okay. Alrighty. What about the shade, the lighting on this one? Let's see. So the one at the top, the light is full sun, 6 hours or more. And yes, the bottom one is 6 hours of sun as well. So these are full sun, these are more shade. Okay. Alrighty, we have the grapes here, the Niagara grapes, the Concord grapes. They're $9. The kiwi is $8.99. Zone 4 through 8 on the kiwi, and it's for full sun. The blackberry, they're thornless. Zone 5 through 9 for $9. The zone 5 through 9 on the Niagara grapes and the Concord grapes. Okay. And don't forget, guys, it's 20% off right now. Okay. Alrighty, so we have the Adornment potted rose, 1 gallon for $13.99. So yeah, guys, they're here at the Tractor Supply store. So they have this one. It's the Gold Glow. Okay, this one, this one. There's the word. There's the name right there. Randy here, Tropicana there. And let's see. Same one. So yes, guys, leafy green foliage scented double garnet red flowers that darken as they mature, very fragrant on the Marandi hybrid tea rose. Okay. Alrighty, so here, guys, we have the garden bean, the stringless green pots here. You get an 8-ounce bag for $11. Ooh, they have the corn, sweet corn, Bilicious hybrid, 8 ounces for $13.99. And okra, I love okra. This is an 8-ounce bag for $10.99. And these peas are $10.99. Okay. So we have perennial wildflower mix, 50,000 seeds. Okay. Hummingbird and butterfly wildflower mix. Okay, so these are the Burpee wildflower bags. They are $9.99. Okay, so we have the perennial wildflower mix, the hummingbird and butterfly wildflower mix, fast blooming wildflower mix, pollinator wildflower mix, monarch sanctuary bouquet wildflower mix. Yeah, pretty good variety here. 100% no GMO seeds blended with inert matter. Okay. Burpee seeds are 25% off right now, guys. So yes, they have the alyssum royal carpet right there, the marigold, California poppy, $2.79 on these. Okay, so we have, what else? Delphinium is $2.79. Pacific Giant mixed colors. Morning Glory, they're $1.99. Petunias are $2.79. Sunflower, they're $4.19. Shasta Daisy, $2.79. Mazina. Okay. Then they have some herbs over here. All the herbs you want, guys. The dill, the cilantro, the lavender, basil, parsley, rosemary, sage, thyme, spearmint. Oh my goodness, it goes on and on. Okay, so down here you have beets. Okay, so this pack here is $7.99. You get approximately 130 seeds. The carrots, they're $7.99. You have the lettuce, black seeded Simpson, for $8. The bunching onions, parade, $8. Salad greens mix, $8. Root vegetables mix, $8. Radish sparkler, $7.99. Oh yeah, nice variety. And now over here, guys, they have these trees, these fruit trees. So they have the apple tree, red delicious apple. This is a plum tree. And this is a peach tree. Okay, so they're $14.99 on all of the trees. So they have the apple, the plum, the big golden apple, and the red haven apple. More vegetable seeds over here, guys. Again, 25% off all Burpee seeds. And the summer squash. We have the spinach here. Even have the pumpkins up here. Cucumbers, pickle bush, and then the cucumber in the straight 8. Okay. And Brussels sprouts, $3.29. Cantaloupe down there for $2.79. Here's a cabbage for $2.79. And so on. 25% off, guys. So hey, we'll take it. Well, all right, friends, that is it here at the Tractor Supply store over here in the garden section. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.